Students, let us to start chapter 1, real number. The introduction of the chapter is definition. Real number is a value that represent on a number line. Real number is denoted by capital R. Real numbers include all numbers such as natural numbers, whole numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers, or all types of numbers. The first topic of this chapter is Euclid's division lemma. We first know what is lemma. A lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. A lemma is a proven statement used for proving another statement. Then Euclid's division lemma. Euclid's division lemma states that for any two positive integers a and b, there exist unique whole numbers q and r, such that a equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b, where a equal to dividend, b equal to divisor, q equal to quotient, and r equal to remainder. That is, dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This formula is a Euclid division lemma. Euclid division lemma can be used to find the highest common factor HCF. Highest common factor HCF of any two positive integers. That means find the HCF of any two positive integers by using Euclid division lemma. Let us start exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Use Euclid's division algorithms to find the HCF of first part 135 and 225, second part 196 and 38,220, and third part is 867 and 255. Solution of the first part, number 135 and 225. Let a equal to 225 and b equal to 135, where a is greater than b. That means 225 is greater than 135. Therefore, first divide 225 by 135. 135 1 is 135, remainder is 90. Further, 135 is divided by 90. 91 is 90, remainder is 45. 45 to the 90, remainder will be 0. Now we apply Euclid division lemma in each steps. A equal to bq plus r. A equal to bq plus r, where a is a dividend, b is a divisor, q is a quotient, and r is a remainder. Then 225 equal to 135 into 1 plus 90. 135 equal to 90 into 1 plus 45. 90 equal to 45 into 2 plus 0. Remainder is 0. Then the divisor at this stage is 45. Therefore, HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. It is answer. Second part, 196 and 38,220. Let the first number 38,220 and b equal to 196 is the second number, because 38,220 is greater than 196. Similarly, 38,220 is divided by 196. 196 1 ja 196, remainder is 186. Taking number 2, 196 9 ja 1764, remainder is 98. Taking the another number 0, 196 5 ja 980, remainder will be 0. Now we apply Euclid division lemma. 38,220 equal to 196 into 195 plus 0. Since remainder is 0, then divisor is 196. Hence HCF of the number 196 and 38,220 is 195 is the answer. The homework of the first question is use Euclid's division lemma to find the HCF of first part 426 and 576, 56 and 70,625. Third part 270 and 405, 377 and 435. Fifth part is 867 and 225. Now question number 2 of this exercise. So that any positive odd integer is of the form 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5, where q is some integer. Solution: let a be any positive integer and b equal to 6. Then by Euclid division lemma, a equal to 6q plus r, where a is a dividend, 6 is a divisor, q is a quotient and r is a remainder, where remainder is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 6. Taking the remainder r equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But take only odd numbers like 1, 3 and 5. Now for r equal to 1, a equal to 6q plus 1. For r equal to 3, a equal to 6q plus 3. And for r equal to 5, a equal to 6q plus 5. Thus for r equal to 1, 3 and 5, a is odd. A is odd. So we take only odd integer. Therefore any positive integer of the form of 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3 and 6q plus 5 is odd. It is the answer. Exercise 1.1 is completed. Question number 3, 4 are same types. Now start exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Express each number as a product of its prime factors of following numbers. The first part is 140. Now find prime factors by factorization method. 140 is divided by 2 is 70, 70 is divided by 2 is 35, 35 is divided by 5 equal to 7, 7 is divided by 7 is 1. Hence prime factors of 140 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. It is the answer. Third part is 3825. The solution: 3825 is divided by 3 equal to 1275. 1275 is divided by 3 equal to 425. 425 is divided by 5 equal to 85. 85 is divided by 5 equal to 17. 17 is divided by 17 equal to 1. Therefore 3825 equal to 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 17 is a prime factors of this number. It is the answer. Second question. Find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF product of the two numbers. First part is 26 and 91. Second part 510 and 92. Third part is 336 and 54. Solution: we first find the HCF and LCM of these numbers. HCF: for HCF, first find prime factors of 26 and 91. The prime factors of 26 equal to 2 into 13 and 91 equal to 7 into 13. Therefore common factor is 13. hence HCF equal to 13. And LCM taking common factors is 1 times, and also take remaining factors base. Therefore LCM equal to 2 into 7 into 13 equal to 182. It is answer. Verification the formula. LCM into HCF equal to product of the two numbers. 182 into 13. LCM is 182, HCF is 13, equal to product of two numbers is 26 into 91. Therefore 2366 equal to 2366. LHS equal to RHS verified. Homework. Do question number 1, third part, question number 3, question number 4, question number 5 from exercise 1.1, and question number 1 second part, fourth part, fifth part, question number 2 second part, third part from exercise 1.2.